Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the area safe and accessible. Put on gloves, goggles, and a mask, ventilate the room, and cover floors. First actionable step, pick a removal method based on paint type. Use a solvent for latex or oil, a heat gun for many layers, or mechanical sanding for small spots. Test a 1-inch square to confirm effectiveness. Once the test proves good, mark your work zones and start at an inconspicuous corner to avoid surprises. You now focus on thorough removal without damaging the wall. Work in manageable 2-3 foot sections to control debris and prevent rework. If using chemical stripper, spread a thin 1/8 to 1/4 inch coat, wait until paint blisters, then scrape with a plastic or metal scraper at a shallow angle. For heat, hold the gun 2 to 3 inches away and move continuously. Once paint softens, scrape gently. If sanding, start with coarse grit, then follow with finer grit to smooth the substrate. You complete the job by cleaning and preparing the wall for its next finish. Neutralize any chemical stripper per instructions, rinse, and let dry fully. Sand remaining bits with 120 to 220 grit, then vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. Once smooth, apply primer appropriate for the surface. If you hit stubborn patches, try a second targeted application or switch methods, chemical to heat or vice versa. Troubleshooting tip: if paint bubbles but won't scrape, reheat slightly and use a fresh scraper edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.